I am ready for my day one here in Gouna. Guys, let me show you my full outfit. Wait. Okay. Look at this, guys. See? I'm ready. Serious vacation mode activated. Ooh. Ooh, is a mono strap dress. See? Yeah. Oh, so I just got a message. So yeah. So what they move around here with is is keke, but here they call it tuk tuk. Tuk tuk. So we're gonna start heading to the reception so we can call the tuk tuk to pick us up to go meet my friend at her house, and then we all move together to the boat. Today is boat cruise. Yes, can't wait. I'm in the vibe.
Hi.
Ooh. There's our ride. I think it's green. So we're here at the supermarket just to buy a couple of snacks, drinks, water, you name it, goodies, just to take on a boat trip so we can have fun while we eat and soak up some sun and dive into the water. Yeah, just browsing through. Our boots. Okay guys, for real, the sun is sunning. Oh my god, like this my fan isn't even doing crap. Okay, but anyway, I'm still feeling myself. I'm feeling good and looking good. Like, I had to put my feet in the water. Isn't God amazing? We're actually at the Red Sea. And basically, the water here is shallow. We drove through deep water to get to this shallow water. And see, birds are just flying through. You can even see under the water. It's so sandy, guys. This is so amazing. So we're done for the day, heading home. So tired, just gonna go shower, then head to dinner and get ready for tomorrow. See you guys. Today's a new day. It's time to go have breakfast to get the energy for the day. So I actually got some omelet like you saw earlier. Like, this is my breakfast. This is just a part of it. Obviously I need to get some pastries, yogurt, you name it, butter and croissants. Okay, so that's my husband's plate. This is second plate. He went to get some, guess what? Pancakes. You need pancakes to seal the deal, guys. Oh my god. So after this we went to play little table tennis just to, you know, work out what we ate. So I'm just basically soaking up this beautiful view. We're heading back to our room just to chill till evening time because tonight is our pre-wedding dinner. So happy for my babe. And this is the dress I wore tonight. I couldn't have time to film, but all I know is we're having such a good time. It was a vibe. We ate like crazy, guys, like different types of food. Oh my god, I was so full. I almost burst out of my dress. No jokes. Yes, so after eating, we took a picture. That's the bride, the groom, our friends, all in one picture. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and tune in for the wedding, the next video. Bye.